12 strange sights found on Google Earth. From a boneyard of military planes, to a polka dot pattern created by ants, to mysterious structures etched into the Gobi Desert and even a phantom island in the South Pacific, Google Earth reveals some of the world's weirdest locations to light. Here's a look at 12 strange sights found on Google Earth. At number 12, the Phantom Island. In 2012, a group of Australian researchers discovered an island the size of Manhattan in the South Pacific. A mysterious place called Sandy Island had popped up on maps northwest of New Caledonia. It even showed up as a black polygon on Google Earth. But when scientists sailed there in November 2012, they found open water instead of solid ground. Number 11. Lake of Blood. Outside Sad City in Iraq lies a blood-red lake. There is, as yet, no official explanation for the color of this strange body of water. Number 10. Polka Dot Land. An odd polka dot pattern near the cinder cone volcano, dubbed Vulcan's Throne on the north rim of the Grand Canyon, may have a simple explanation: ants. Turns out, the desert around the Grand Canyon is home to red harvester ants, or the scientific name, Pagana barbatus. These tiny ants can create a nesting mound spanning some 47 inches or 120 centimeters across and are typically surrounded by bare ground up to 108 square feet or 10 square meters. Number 9. Island in a lake. The world's largest island in a lake on another island in a lake inside another island is a narrow, 4-acre strip of land in Canada located at exactly 69.793 degrees north, 108.241 degrees west. The nameless island, shown as the little tilde-shaped squiggle of green, lolls across the center of a small lake, which is itself encapsulated by a slightly larger island that resides inside one of a series of long finger lakes located 75 miles inland from the southern coast of Victoria Island, a land feature in northern Canada. Number 8. The Boneyard. The Davis-Monthan Air Force Base in Tucson, Arizona, is where U.S. military planes go to for retirement. Dubbed the Boneyard, this 2,600-acre cemetery of steel is closed to the general public. However, Google Earth provides a glimpse of what's inside. Here we see virtually every plane the military has flown since World War II, from the B-52 Stratofortress to the F-14 Tomcat is located at this Air Force base. Number 7. Biggest Word. Hamad bin Hamdan Al Wine, a billionaire sheikh and member of Abu Dhabi's ruling family, has had his name carved into the sandy surface of Al Futais Island, an island he owns in the Persian Gulf. At half a mile tall and 2 miles long altogether, the letters Hamad could be the world's largest word etched onto Earth. Regardless, they're visible from space. Normally, words written in sand wash away, but these letters are large enough to form waterways that absorb the encroaching tide. Number 6. Gobi Desert. Newfound Google Earth images have revealed an array of mysterious structures and patterns etched into the surface of China's Gobi Desert. According to experts, this is a secret military base, and the structures are used for a variety of purposes including weapons testing, spy satellite calibration, and testing of radar instrumentation. The most elaborate feature, an intricate grid of perfectly straight lines that weave back and forth, every few hundred feet for 20 miles or 33 kilometers, is most likely an antenna array, a device used for weather, tracking and other atmospheric research. Number 5. Mapvertising KFC. In this image we see a concept known as mapvertising. Think of this as ginormous advertisement billboards, which can be seen from outer space. This KFC logo, depicting a 87,500 square foot picture of Colonel Sanders, appears at 37.646163 degrees north, 115.750819 degrees west, just off Extraterrestrial Highway in Nevada. Another example of mapvertising can be seen on a hillside in Chile showing the world's largest Coca-Cola logo. It is said to be made of 70,000 empty Coke bottles. On to number 4. Sizable shipwreck. The SS Jasim, a Bolivian cargo ferry, ran aground and sank on the Wingate Reef off the coast of Sudan in 2003. At 265 feet or 81 meters long, it is now one of the largest shipwrecks visible on Google Earth. Number 3. Landlocked lips. These luscious lips are a hill formation located in Darfur, in Sudan. Number 2. Aussie UFO. In Australia, a strange triangle dotted with bright lights appears in the middle of a field. When first discovered in 2007, ufologists were quick to call it a triangle UFO caught in the act of hovering above Earth. Other Google Earth users say it may be an antenna associated with a nearby remote-controlled wind farm. With 3 sets of wires forming a triangle, and a tower in the middle, the antenna likely receives and transmits control signals. Finally, at number 1. Puzzling pentagram. On the wind-blown steppes of Central Asia, in an isolated corner of Kazakhstan, there's a large pentagram, etched into Earth's surface. Measuring roughly 1,200 feet or 366 meters in diameter. The 5-pointed star surrounded by a circle, located on the southern shore of the Opoto Bowl Reservoir, shows up vividly on Google Maps. This concludes our 12 strange sights found on Google Maps. Stay tuned for more mysterious documentaries. And thank you for watching. Cheers!